I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Checking your balance on Giffgaff is straightforward, and here is how you can do it in just a few steps. Step 1. Log into your Giffgaff account. Visit the Giffgaff website and log in using your credentials. This will give you access to your account details, including your balance. Step 2. Navigate to your account dashboard. Once logged in, go to your account dashboard. This is where you can find all your account information, including your balance. Step 3. Check your balance. Look for the balance section on your dashboard. Your current balance will be displayed prominently, showing how much credit you have left. Step 4. Use the Giffgaff app optional. If you prefer using your phone, download the Giffgaff app from the App Store or Google Play. Log in and check your balance directly from the app. Step 5. Text for balance alternative method. You can also check your balance by sending a text. Simply text balance to 43,430 and you will receive a reply with your current balance. Sometimes, the text method can take a few minutes to respond, so be patient if you don't get an instant reply. I hope this helps you keep track of your Giffgaff balance easily. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.